Order for another breaking news case here na sans of the tuja we a governor of the Bank of Ghana Mwamunim say Mwamunim dim Dr. Johnson Isiama onankasa na waba abontin or this shocking announcement we aba order for you say Isiama na okasa na you see the Ghana you see the no appreciate 40% against the US dollar. Order for NHS yankasa ye governor of the Bank of Ghana Johnson Isiama and all the warning case na de commercial banks or more Ghana hang order for mumayko na yinkoti nsema yankasa ye governor of the Bank of Ghana, governor of the Bank of Ghana Johnson Isiama nsema or the abeto abontin ama banks funina commercial banks funina say obianya so na omofanyi jumoro for manko na yinkoti nsema governor of the Bank of Ghana ewo edema banks funina any Ghana funina ni emba tisia Ghanatube so
edia mejeso ne Ghanatube lady ohene wa kase eboa hene Africa sia bono munchemu eni penny contract for ya with that Bank of Ghana and Dr. Johnson Isiama and a washa ase kasa commercial banks ahodo ewo my Ghana mo se besiano wo munchemu ye ema businesses ahodo ewo my Ghana mo.
The CD has appreciated over 40% against the US dollar, talking about year-to-date terms, a performance unmatched in recent memory. This stability is not just a macro headline, it underpins predictable pricing, investment planning, and the attractiveness of Ghana as a financial hub. Now, considering these developments, the Monetary Policy Committee lowered the policy rate by 300 basis points to 25%. This signals a gradual shift from a purely defensive monetary stance and toward one that cautiously supports economic growth on condition that the disinflation path remains on track. Colleagues, there is scope for further easing going forward if macroeconomic conditions continue to improve, and in particular, if August inflation, September inflation continues to settle within the target band. For the banking sector, this opens a window for you to re-examine your lending strategies. You have to broaden your access to credit, and you have to support private sector-led growth while still managing your risks prudently. On the banking sector, colleagues, the sector remains a cornerstone of Ghana's economic stability. The latest supervisory data confirms that the sector is well capitalized, it is liquid, and it is profitable. We've seen a steady decline in non-performing loan ratios, reflecting both the improving macroeconomic environment and the enhanced credit underwriting standards you have implemented in recent years. The recapitalization journey, driven by both retained earnings and new capital injections, has reinforced balance sheet resilience. This positions the sector to absorb shocks and seize new growth opportunities. But with this resilience comes responsibility. Our monetary policy stance has begun to shift towards supporting growth, and it is critical that banks align by stimulating credit to the private sector, particularly to productive areas of the economy. This must be done with prudent risk management, ensuring that credit expansion does not compromise the quality of your loan books. The challenge is to grow lending while preserving the hard-earned stability that now defines our financial system.
Dear boy, we MPP Amanyo Kono Makache.
Order for when a breaking news if Yankasa ye governor of the Bank of Ghana, Johnson is here manchain, and Odiama just a Ghana for Nina, loans for just a banks for Nina, Ubia Nichefa womb to see and you see no appreciate 40% against the US dollar. Order for O say ye Ghana for ya tidenne, atagri ya tidenne, good news kesi na betuja. If ye governor of the Bank of Ghana, Eddie Abregana Funya, Mr. Beginning Abreu, our Ghana to the phone, Mumayam Bura in Semnu, then go to Sema Ecoso, NPP Fosso, Akachin Regisia, our Ghanatube. So.
What in Kratat in TVP Montana, so they call Eddie Map Party Manina, name woman Samno, Nijina partner name Nafimatme Boise, I can kind of send you what day to jam. Yadin Chiafi partner tonight, Cassia Emma Party Manina. Na metrewe ede atomonim ese na no fiada July bosome ne de toso eduonu no afi mu National Council edema MPP amanyoko no wo mu eko emergency meeting ni na da ne se party no ye hwe nkabo map betimi aboa na wo manfo no so timi anya gidie ni awehwem kesem ewo MPP amanyoko no nti abremu de general amnesty ka amnesty dia na kire se mo a moye mfumso ne anu ode ya party ne gene ho a wanye ye no nti wo twa mo aso no wo mo kire se si ade ye de san mfumso ne ye de achamo party for enhihye ye aniem moso kwa na asotwe na anu ode nti no ye de mo kopie mu ewa asotwe abedwoko enim ye eguso a ye de mo asem no ni nyina so empenifo ba amane a chirechim se nyame ayadom ema amnesty ne bi etimi asomso ye ka kire manfo ya ye twe wo mo sensan ye wa MPP amanyoko no mo se ye peja e de afi mo so ntim bekoso aye party ejuma afi members do mpempi no wo de to dwa kire so se ne party ne hyehyɛ si tie no wo mo ani nye ho nti party ne kra de membership nkrata wo mo gye mo de atofom no empenifo de atomodim se be ya formal application monsin konya na montro nkrata emra party na tena kesiem se ne be ya mo dibre se MPP amanyoko de hye no ye besan so e de ahye wonsem biom na me ya dom ye giwutum se wo ye MPP amanyoko ni amepamoche wada empenifo se party ni internal party elections bi ombeko bia no nyaade a obetimi akobia na se wodu ho be hye mo bi kyese emfihia mienu echi womo toaso abamani a chirechim se we yan hyehyɛ kɛse a party na yia sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a ebetimi aboa na MPP amanyoko no etimi egyina naso afa no tuma padie fa na afes womo aboa mo ho 2028 general elections ne emu na san hyehyɛ wenti ye gyina so aka kyerɛ party mpenifo sɛ wo abato mpɛsua so anase regional national say we di ekoba ne se wobi ayade bia hwɛ se saa nipa no nya wɔyɛ no etia party de hyehyɛ party no mra wontimi nyina wɔ se kwanten kro ensi gyina yɛ se saa nipa no wo twe no e de asense wo kyerɛ se MPP amanyoko no wɔ hyehyɛ mapa party no constitution amamra kɛse ne gyina so na fa yɛ adwuma National Secretariat edema MPP amanyoko ne se wobesrem se san hyehyɛ wo ya party mpenifo ato oboase adwene ho akruchei ede abeto montene so no wo bibia nhwɛ se wo betimi ede aye adwuma ye gitum se ne mpempi no ye de nkrata pie montene so mo kenkan wi a mo gitum no saa pepepe na we so mo beye ede amaye wo nipa ne nsa hyase Dankwa Smith bute wo no e na elhwe kire se national chairman ede ama MPP amanyoko no ma yentro so fu ye
oyiwa we na ye nsema breaking news a abepie mu ewo NPP party ni mu a menso beje ni nyina brew ewo Ghanatube yese party no agrante eye amnesty kese ede ama eye party members a yesa suspend omu yesa ki omu nkofo a party no eni omu endi ni ye nyina no odofo 2028 election ninti no NPP for agrante amnesty ama nkofo a yesa suspend omu yesa ki omu nyina se omu shiro omu nyina omu sanso mbra back to the party because election kese pan e oyenim mo amunim se NPP for omu lose poto edema NDC for NDC ano hwa omu reset party no omu reset party just like John Dramani Mahama or reset the economy of Ghana no you see omu so mo reset omu party no ntinu omu grant amnesty kese ama party members yasaki omu nyina na say yasuspend omu nyina so omu bra na emom condition eka ho yes say oba na obe join party na untumi contest anything after 2 years and then obetumi contest for when e breaking news every governor of the Bank of Ghana any NPP akachia meso be dini nyina abra e Ghanatube for member fi say mobile like no subscribe no share no hit notification bell so am say na be ya abrini abibia do pe content say ya wo wonya ne tempa no watwe wait amount for aha na me dey nsem nyina bi si e Ghanatube so makra mu nyina meda mu nyina ase